Today we will discuss exercise 1A. The first question is write the numbers in figure. Numerals form the place comma correctly. We have studied about to put the commas and how to write numerals. Here are some numbers given in the words. Now 30 lakh 11,001. We have to write this in numerals, and here you are seeing a place value chart. This is an Indian place value chart. Now what we will do, look at, now this is written 30 lakh. The place of lakh is here and it is 10 lakh and this is lakh. So we will put 30 here, and next is 11,000. This is the thousands place, so this is 11,001. So there is no hundred, no tens, so we will write 0, 0 and 1. This is our number. Now we can say this is 30 lakh 11,000 and 1. So we will write this number here, 30 lakh 11,000 and 1. Now we have to put the comma according to Indian system. We know in the Indian system this is the period of ones, this is the periods of thousand, and this is the period of lakh. So we have to put the comma. This is one period, this is second period, and this is third period. The first period of 3 digits, so 1, 2, 3, we will put comma here, and second period is of 1,000 and 10,000, so we will put the comma here, and the next is lakh and 10 lakh, so we will put the comma according to this. Number B is 5 lakh 820 12. Now 5 lakh 812, so we will put the number in the numbers chart, Indian chart number system, and that is 5 lakh. Then lakh's position is this, so we will write 5 under lakh and 800. So we will write here 812, and we are seeing these two places are empty, so we will put 0 here. This is 5 lakh 812. 5 lakh 812. We will write the same number here, 5 0 0 8 1 2. Now we know the last 3 digits has one period, so we will put the comma after last 3 digit. Now we will put comma. This is the second period of 1,000 and 10,000. We will put the comma here. Next number C is 9 crore 12,002. Now we will place the number in the Indian system, 9 crore. This is the crore place. I will write 9 crore, and the 12,000, the thousands place is here, that is 12 2, and the last is 2. We can see 2 place empty here and 2 place here empty here. We will put the 0 here in the empty place. Now we will write the number 9 0 0 1 2 0 0 and 2. Now we will see the period. The last 3 digit has a 1 period, so we will put the comma after first period. Now second period is 12, so we will put the comma before 12. Now the lakhs period is 0 0. After 2 digit we will put the comma. Now this is 9 lakh 12,002. Next number is E. Question E, 50,006,016. Here you are observing the word millions. It means it's saying this is international system. Now we will fill the international place value chart. This is 50 million. Now I have to write, this is the millions place, and I will write 50 here, and next is 6,000, and I have to write 6 at the place of 1000, and the two periods are empty, so we will fill 20 here. Next is 16, then we will write 16 here, and this place is empty. So this is 50 millions 6,016, and now I will write the number here 50006,016. Now we know very well that the international place value chart, there are 3 digits periods. Now after 3 digits we will put comma. See, 1 2 3 3 digits, after next period started. Now 1 2 3, now next period will started 1 2 3. Now so we will count from ones 1 2 3 and we will put comma, 1 2 3, now we will put comma, then 5 0. Next is 4,605,203. Now we will place the numbers. Now 4 million, here is million, and I will write here 4,605,000, then 605,000 is here. Next is 203, then 203, and this place is empty, so this will be 0. Now this is the number I will write here 4605,203. As we know that here is millions and it is international system, so we will put the comma after each 3 digit. So this is 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. We know why we are putting the 3 comma after each 3 digits, because there are the periods with having 3 digits. It means we can say 3 digits has 1 period, and after 3 digits have 1 period, 1 period, 1000 period, and then millions period. Question 2 is rewrite the following number using Indian place value system. 607,012,084. Now I have to write first in international system, because it has millions, it means it is international number system. So this is 607 million. So I will write 607 million. Next is 12,084. 12,084. Now this is international system, that if I will write here, this will be 60701208. If I will put the comma, then I will put the comma like this and rewrite the following number. I have to write this number again as Indian place value. This is Indian place value chart. If I will write this number in place value chart, what will be differ? Now look at here, this is 480210706. Now this number, then solution is, this is 60 crore 70 lakh, 12,000 and 84. Now I have to write this number. This is in Indian system, but we have to write in number name. That will be, number will be 60 crore, 70 lakh, 12,084. Next number is 12,05,021. Now I will write the numbers in the international place value chart. That will be 12,05,000 and 21. This is the number. If I will write this number, this will be 12, 5 and 21. I will put the comma according to international place value. Now this number I will write in Indian system. That will be 12050021. Now we can observe this will be 1 crore 20 lakh 5,021. I will write this according to our India system. That will be 1 comma 20 comma 05 comma 021. If I will write this in number name, it will be 1 crore 25,021. Our number is 1 crore 20 lakh 5,021. Question 3. Rewrite the following numbers using international place value system. Earlier in the question 2 we have changed the numbers international to Indian. Now we have international. Now we have to convert this in Indian system. Rewrite. This is Indian system. Now I have to convert this in international system. The number is 6,209,000. First I will place the number in Indian system because it is national. There is lakh and it is Indian system. So it is 6 lakh. Lakhs place is here, so I will write 6 here. Then 209. 209. These places, 1,000 places are empty, so we will put 0. This will be 6 lakh 209. Now this number I will place in international place system. That will be 902,006. So this number will be 6,002,009 and I will put the comma according to periods. Now this is ones period and this is 1,000 period. Now I will convert this into number name. That will be 600,000. 600,000 209. Now this way we will convert. We will write first the numeral numbers of the number name, then we will convert this number name into international system and then we will write their number name. Next number is 7 crore 5 lakh 12,552. I will place this number in Indian system. That will be 7 crore 5 lakh 12,552. 552. This is the number. Now I will write this number 70512552 and put the commas. Now I will write this number in international system. That will be 2552150. Now if I will write this here, in international system it will be 705125552. So it will be 70,512,552. Now if I will write this in number name, it will be 70,512,552. Question 4. Insert the commas at appropriate place according to Indian system and the international system of numeration. Now number is 567624. I will put the both number in the Indian system and international system. That is 4 2 6 7 6 5. The same number I will insert in the international system 4 2 6 7 6 5. Now we know. Now if I will write this number according to their commas place value, this will be 5,67,624. This is Indian system. If I will write this in international system, it will be 567,624. This is international system. Our number B is 80,809,5262. I will place the numbers in the both system, Indian system 2, 6, 2, 5, 9, 0, 8. The same number I will insert in this 2, 6, 2, 5, 9, 0, 8. And if I will write in according to the commas in the both system, the Indian system will be 80 lakh, 95,000, 262. This will be Indian system. Then I will write the international system. This will be 8,095,262. So this is international system. Next question 5. Write the expanded form of the following. This is the number 2,45,789. We have to write it in expanded form, and we have given a formula how to get the expanded form. This is a very easy. We will write this 2,45,789. We have to multiply the place value and the face value. This is 2. Then 2 is multiplied by lakh. 1 lakh. Plus next number is 4 and its place is 10,000. So this is multiplied by 10,000. Now plus next is 5. Its place value is 1000. So 5 is multiplied by 1000. Plus next is 7 and 100. So 7 is multiplied by 100. Next is 8 is multiplied by 10 plus 9 is multiplied by 1. And when we will multiply all the numbers, we will get the expanded form. That will be 2 lakh plus 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 9. This is our expanded form. Our next number is 2,00562. If we will put it in Indian place value chart, it will be 2,6,5,0,0 and 2. So it means if we will put the comma, it will be 2,562. Now we will multiply the face value and the place value. Then it will be 2 is multiplied by, this is the place of lakh, so 1 lakh. Now next number is 0. So 0 is multiplied by 1000, 10,000. Next number is also 0, that is multiplied by 1000. Next number is 5, its place is 100, so multiply by 100. Next is 6 is multiplied by 10 and 2 is multiplied by 1. When we will solve it, it will be 2 lakh. Then next will be 0 multiplied by 10,000 is 0. If we will multiply any number by any 0, we get the 0, plus 0 is multiplied by 1000, so we will get 0, plus 5 multiplied by 100. 5 is multiplied by 100, that will be 500. And this is 6 is multiplied by 10, so it will be 60 plus 2. This is the expand form of 2,562,000. Question 6 is fill in the blanks. A is 1000 equals to 100. If I will write 1000, then I have to observe how many 100 in this. It is 0, 100. If I will include it, it will be 10, 100. So I can write here 1000 equals to 10, 100. Next is 10 crore equals 1000. I will write 10 crore here and thousands is here. Then I will put the 0. Then it is asking about 1000. This is 10,000, 100,000, 1 crore equals to 1 lakh thousand. 1 million equals to dash lakh. Here is millions. So I have to put the 1 million here. This is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now if I will put this number in Indian system, then how many lakh it will be? Now how many zero is here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 is 1. Now this is 10 lakh. Next is 10 millions equals to dash crore. Now how many millions make crore? How many crores make 10 millions, or we can say 10 millions make how many crore? Now I have put 10 millions. If I will write the same number in Indian system, it will be 70 1 2 3 4 5 6 70 and 1. Then it will be 1 crore. Number E is 1 million. How many thousand? If I will write millions, 1 million in international system, then how many thousand it will be? Now how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 here, and we are seeing that is 10 lakh, and it's about asking about thousand, so it will be 100,000. One million equals to 1,000. See, it's ones, tens, 100, and this is 1,000. So this place will include in the thousands. So